my dear students. How are you? I hope all are you good. Welcome back to another class. Today, let we start GK Unit 3 Nature and the Surroundings. Chapter number 70 First Aid Box. Every school, home, office, and factory must have a first aid box. A first aid box should have the following essential items: 7. Antiseptic cream. Okay. Now, B. Cotton bandage. C. Band-aid. D. Medicines. E. Daton. 6. F. Cotton roll. G. 4. Thermometer. H. Clip bandage. 3. I. Lactocalamine. J. Scissor. 5. Okay. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 18, Protect the Nature. A. Tick are the correct answer, means right. Which of these harms the environment? Plastic. Burning wood and garbage pollutes the air. 3. When is World Environment Day celebrated? 5th June. We must not waste paper as it is made from tree. Number 5. What does stand for? Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Option B. Question number B. Rearrange the letters in capitals to make a word. Write it down. Every year, 22nd March is celebrated as World Water Day. We must grow reseed to keep the air clean. Trees. The giant panda is endangered. Animal. When people do not throw garbage in the dustbin but throw it around, it is called littering. A wildlife sanctuary is a reserve area to preserve endangered species of animals. Wildlife. Okay, so dear students, this chapter is in here. So now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 90. A medley of plants. Plants are all around us. How much do you know about them? Let us find out. Tick right the correct option. Okay. Small plants and saplings are taken care of in a nursery. Number 2. Tea, coffee, and rubber are grown in A or N where? Orchard, plantation, nursery, or plantation. Number 3. The part of a plant that grows above the soil is called the shoot. Number 4. The part of a plant that usually attract insects is flower. Number 5. The plants that do not have leaves, roots, or flowers are called algae. Number 6. Which flower is seen in the hand of the goddess Lakshmi? Lotus. 7. Which flower was the favorite of Pandit Nehru? Rose. Number 8. Which plant is considered sacred and is worshipped in Hindu homes? Which plant? Tulsi. Number 9. The leaves of which plant are used as plates in the southern part of India? Banana. 10. Which trees are decorated with garland and lights at Christmas? Fir. So, dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 20, Amazing Plants. After millions of years, evolution and enormous number of plants of different types have been formed. Many plants are truly amazing. Some of them are given below, right their leaves. 1. It is a native to Central and South America. It gets its name because its leaflets fold in and droop when they are touched. सेंसिटिव प्लांट ये है मिमोसा पुडिका, चुएमी बोलते हैं जिसको। सेंसिटिव प्लांट मिमोसा पुडिका। 2. It is a carnivorous plant native to Indonesia and Southeast Asia. Its leaves are modified to form a pitcher-like structure which is filled with digestive fluid. When an insect enters in the pitcher, its lid closes and it is trapped inside. Pitcher plant. Number 3. It is also a carnivorous plant with an ingenious way to catch its prey. Its leaves are usually arranged in a rosette whose upper surface is covered with flexible plant hair that exude a sticky substance to attract and entrap insect. Sundew, Dorsera. 4. This flower was discovered in the jungles of Sumatra. It is considered to be the largest flower in the world. It can grow up to 1 meter in diameter and weigh as much as 25 pounds. It smells like a decomposing carcass. It is Rafflesia. 5. It is a genus in the cactus family found in the desert areas. They have flat, fleshy pads that look like large leaves. The pads are actually modified branches or stems. They have large spines, which are actually modified leaves. Prickly pear. So, dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 21. Bright blooms. Take right the correct option and find out some strange and interesting flow of facts. The national flowers of India flower the national flower of India is lotus. The national flower of the USA is rose. The cup-shaped flower of Holland is tulip. 4. A sweet smelling flower is 4. Tuberose. 5. Gulab jal is made from rose. The flower that faces the sun is sunflower. The flower commonly used in festoons, bouquets, and garlands is tulip. 8. Flower that produces substances harmful to other plants is sunflower. So, dear students, This chapter is in here. Now we will let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 22. Living beings. Tick right the correct option. 1. Name the tree on which koalas live. Eucalyptus. How do polar bears, question number 2, how do polar bears protect themselves from cold weather? With thick fur and fat. 3. Which flightless bird can run very fast? Ostrich. 4. Name the country where you find kangaroos. Australia. 5. What is a flying fox? A bat. Which is the largest mammal? Blue whale. What are animals that live on land as well as in water called? Amphibians. Name the bird that has the longest beak. Eagle. Which land animal is the fastest runner? Cheetah. Okay, so dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 23. Fruits of different trees. Take right the correct option in each of the following. You can also take help of the given picture. The fruit of this tree is yellow in color. It is very sweet. It is called the king of fruits, mango. The fruit of this tree is purple. The crocodile's wife was very fond of it. Jamun. The fruit of this tree is green. We love to drink the sweet water inside its shell. Coconut. 4. The fruit of this tree is green but turns yellow. When ripe, elephants love to eat it. Banana. The fruit of this tree is bitter in taste. The leaves are used for medicinal purpose. Bitter in taste. 5. Neem. Number 6. It is a sacred plant for Hindus. The leaves of this tree are broad. People. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 24. Angry nature. Many a time we come across the furious behavior of nature. It causes great damage to life and property. Identify and write the names of the following calamities. First one is flood. बाढ़ कहते हैं हम जिसको. Drought यानी कि सूखा. Third one is landslide. Four is earthquake. Number 5 is tsunami. Number 6, volcanic eruption. Number 7, forest fire. Number 8, tornado. Number 9, cyclone. So my dear students, all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapters. So we will meet you the next class. Thank you everyone.